Jelana.
Jelana, you need to learn. You need to do it. Otherwise, your classmate will know.
Press mo muna. Oh, gawin mo. Ganyan, Jelana.
Jelana, pero marunong na siya ng plus. Jelana, can you teach Grandma the plus? The addition? Grandma is watching. She's watching, Jelana. Oh, let me see. Oh, wow. Marunong na siya na. Nagawa na niya. Oh, nice.
Nice. Wow. Sige, sige, marami.
Ano ba here?
Yeah. Good job.
Yay!
Practice lang, anak. Tiyagaan lang, tiyagaan. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Oh no, I messed up. See?
No, it's okay. You can pluck.
Give it that. And make a new one. Dad.
Oh, shoot. Kaloka naman. Yan mo na.
Dinikit mo naman eh.
Oh.
What did that
Ah,
mean?
dito, dito.
Okay.
Tignan mo. Tignan mo. Tumayo ka, ani.
Let me touch it. One. This.
Small pa.
Oh, Diyos ko naman.
Ito ni. Akin na yung kamay mo ni. Akin na, ah. Tignan mo ni. Tignan mo. Tignan mo. Big, big J. Okay? Small I. L. A. N. A. Oh, ganon. Small yung I. I-trace mo muna yung L. A. N. Ala, baliktad naman. A.
A.
Ala,
Actually, I want a little letter now.
Baliktad. Finish that first. Practice.
dito, ani, wag dyan, dito muna, ah.
I want to do.
Just practice, anak. Patience.
I want to do the A.
Ewan ko dyan. Bahala na siya dyan.
A naman ang malaki ang gusto niya.
Just baby A first, Jelana. Look at the line, Jelana. See.
I want to do my name. I want to.
A, B, C. Letter daw siya. A, B, C, D.